Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So, if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as I talk right now, as of the recording of this video, the price is in the middle of it's not a crash or anything like that, but the price is certainly pulling back. So the valid question now becomes, is this pullback going to be an overall healthy pullback, or is this some sort of, beginning of a much deeper move? And I'm a little jealous of you that will be watching this video 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a lot more data to make that decision. But really the first and initial level to ask yourself, and let's go with the 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one needs to be just where's the price at relative to 7,600? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 76, then that implies that overall this is a perfectly healthy pullback. And overall the chart, as far as the trend is concerned, is still fully in the bull's favor. Now, of course, it would be great to be answering the question that the price is up above 9,000. But again, I am talking about more so from a health perspective of the current pullback within the overall trend. So again, if you're answering the question that the price is up above 7,600, even if it's at 7,601, that still implies the overall trend very, very healthy. In the event you're answering the question, well, Clay, actually the price is down below 7,600. The next question you'd want to ask yourself and kind of take an inventory check on is in regard to the purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, or more so right around 6,800. So again, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,600, next immediate question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6,800? Even if the price is down below 6,800, I wouldn't go as far as saying that means the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that, because that's just not true. But it would imply that, something might be off. Something might be getting a little shaky. But I'd be pretty shocked if you were answering the question, that the price is down below 6,800. But then again, this is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, and this is where some common sense and gut instincts comes into play. If you're saying, well, Clay, the price is not only up above 7,600, but now the price is up here at 8,500. Well, that would tell you that not only has this pullback been totally healthy, but now the bulls have retaken control of the chart and started to push it back upward. So in that regard, there's, like I said, let your common sense and gut instincts, answer that question for you. So overall, though, big picture wise, the trend is still more than healthy. So not just a question of can the price continue to chip away with those higher bases. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.